Hey guys, welcoming preview of new features will integrate to our applications. And as you can see, we'll start with update functionality I am currently recording. So I will navigate to my browser, to our Angular application, and I am logged in as Philip user. And I can go to owner section, manage rentals, and I have here edit button. Let's click it, and it's an edit view of our rental property. And I can change each field here. So let's say this title super apartment, I will click edit here, and it will change for input, and I can write here. So let's write here not super apartment, but amazing apartment like this. Let's save it. It's saved. I can refresh page, and after refresh, these changes will persist. When I will go to list view, you can see amazing apartment here. So let's go back to our manage rentals to edit, and now I can change the other fields here. So let's say category here for a condo or for a house, and color change as well. So let's save it, and it's changed. Amazing. What will happen when I will change location? So this city New York for, let's say, Boston. Save, and you can see our map has been updated in real time. Amazing. And now let's change this street. So not main street, but let's say second street. Let's save. And I'm on a second street now. Alright, so let's see our implementation. To calling editors, and here is a new component, rental detail update component, and you can see a couple of new other components here, are editable components that are very reusable. And here is the implementation of our editable component. Here is a TS file. It's not much here, but it's a pretty nice implementation, and a template file for each component here. For a text, so text area, select, and input. Alright, and now let's see our React application. So I will go to terminal, and I can shut down Node server and also Angular application itself. Okay, and let's go to our React folder, and let's run npm run start dev and our Node server, so node index.js, like this. And let's wait until our application is compiled. Okay, our React application was compiled, so let's log in as a user here. So login, and again Philip user, password. Alright, let's log in, and let's see this Grand Old Mansion one. So go to owner section, to manage rentals, and click here edit rental, and here is the edit view for Grand Old Mansion 1. And I can change here as well this property, so let's click edit here, and I can write here, so let's say super amazing place like this. Let's save it. It's saved. I can refresh page, and you can see it's persisted. I can go to list page, and here is this super amazing place. So let's go back to our manage rentals, edit rental, and I can change also this category for apartment. Let's say save it. It's saved, and a shared for an entire or a shared. And when I will change a city here, so let's say here not San Francisco but New York, like this. Let's save it. You can see our map was changed as well. So let's say here Times Square like this. Let's save, and we are on Times Square. Amazing. What will happen when I will provide empty title here? So I will get errors here. So I will send empty input like this. Let's save, and you can see path title is required, and we get this error message here, and our title didn't change at all. Alright, so let's see our code now. Here in terminal, and I will run our Sublime. Don't mind these warnings, I'm in my test project, so this is not our real project we are working on. So here in our site Sublime, you can see I was working on a component here on a rental, and here is a rental detail and update info. And you can see here a bunch of new components, editable select, editable input, and so on. And editable text area here, somewhere here, yeah, here it is. And I added these components to our shared components here, editable components, and here is an editable component, and here is the implementation. It's not that long, but very reusable. And here is our input, select, and text area. Alright, so that should be it, guys. So I will integrate this functionality in a week or two, because I am right now recording it. And after this, I will be working on a new section where we'll migrate our Angular 5 to Angular 6. So we will be pretty up to date. So I hope you like new features and see you in the lectures. So goodbye, guys.